My baby's leaning on their elbows instead of going into all fours. Why? Well, we've got some missed milestones going on, and that's why I tagged you in another post as well, so you can sort of see what's going on there. But when you're going into all fours, what should have happened is your baby should be able to come to sitting, which your baby cannot. Sitting right now looks like this, and I need to move my camera. Sorry, I'm all by myself this week, so no screaming about videos because I am alone. Anybody wants to come to Phoenix and help me with my camera work, we're all there. And see, it just settled. Anyway, so sitting looks like this. You've got midline issues. Midline issues are showing up in the vision as well. So you've got sitting going on like this instead of sitting of happening like this. Now, that's independent sitting. That should have happened at 5.5 months. You do not have coming to sitting. And so that's a problem. And so the coming to sitting did not happen. And so your baby is basically rolling over to their tummy, right? And so what looks like there. So when I'm on my tummy, and this is as far as I'm going to get, now you're going way too high with the vision, just like I'm trying to talk to this camera, right? And so your baby's smart, and they're going up on their elbows and trying to do it this way. They're doing that because also this is what gets my eyes up, right? When I can't cross a visual midline, and that usually starts becoming impaired or not as sophisticated because I didn't come to sitting. See, if I come to sitting, right, I'm learning how to cross the visual midline. And so when I don't have those things, I'm trying to do the best I can with what I got. And so here, I should either be able to look up, right, or get up into all fours. Now, everybody expects this to happen. Well, first of all, and this is what you're seeing more and more, my eyes are off the prize. It is never a milestone when the vision goes off, right? It goes out of, I can't look at you, and I can't, so when my eyes go off the prize, it's not a milestone. And so what happens when I'm on the belly and I'm trying to get up, now I don't have vision. Ooh, sparkly. And I'm doing something else. Babies don't have attention spans. They're 7.5 months old, right? But if I was coming to sitting, right, and I'm coming up like this, guess what? I can look at you the whole time. And so therefore it's a milestone, but your child can't do that. And so he wants to keep his eye on the prize, and he's going on his elbows to do this, right, and reach. And so this is where a child like this is really going to slip through the cracks because people are seeing the wise men in him, and that they're, so I'm not worried about the cognitive or that there's trauma to the brain, but somehow the movement deviations have happened, and that's what's going on here. And so you're getting the elbow work, and that's a lot of work. I'm going to sleep more, going to get cranky more because I have to work 10 times harder than this. This is a lot easier. Hi, let me play. Ooh, let me reach. There's no way your child can do that. And so the sitting and vision course, the coming to sitting the course, and the pubic bone course are where I would be after for that, to work with, to facilitate those movements. And don't go, when you already have vision problems, don't go that high. They're either going to go here or they're going to go over, right? Because it's going to go into a failure. If you push me out of my range with my visual, it's just going to be a failure. And you're going to want him to be stronger, right? But strong is never going to get you to just sit up, right? The sitting up has to do with the pelvis. The rolling over wasn't great. Only probably rolled to one side. You know what I mean? The catching, grabbing the feet, all those kind of things were a little off. And now you've got this. And so we really want a better foundation. You can go into the all fours course, the pre-crawl, but I would really rather have you in the sitting in the vision and coming to sitting, because those are really big milestones that are getting bypassed, and you don't want that to happen.